This is supposed to be a straightforward HOA stair repair, remove the damaged concrete treads, install the new ones, and call it a day. But I put my brand new GoPro in the worst possible spot, and it recorded the exact moment I ruined the lens. Watch what happens. Starting the removal, here's what we're working with. These old concrete stair treads are attached to the steel frame, the stair tread riser, so we have to cut them loose before they can be removed. And because the stairwell is so tight, there's barely enough room for me, the grinder, and the camera. The goal is to cut through the old attachment points without damaging the steel underneath. And you gotta hit it right on that weld, otherwise you'll be cutting for minutes and hours and days into that plate. As you can see, that sends sparks and hot debris everywhere, which should have been my first warning. Removing the treads, once everything is cut loose, we can start pulling out the old treads. Seriously heavy, so I have a pretty precise method of moving them, so I keep it pretty controlled. Here's why these stairs needed to be replaced. Check out that cracking across the underside of the tread. This is a shared HOA staircase that people use every day, so damage like this can't just be ignored and hoped away. Usually it happens when people are moving out, moving in, taking heavy furniture with a dolly up one step at a time, banging definitely does the deal. With the damaged treads out, it's time to clean up steel stringer frames. Removing the leftover material, smoothing the mounting area so the new concrete treads can sit correctly. It definitely isn't the most exciting part of the job, but skipping the prep is how you end up with problems. Okay, this is where the video definitely gets done. I wanted to get a crazy close up of the sparks out of weld flows with a big GoPro. So I decided to mount it right next to it. Awesome camera. Absolutely terrible decision. All that hot debris and welding spatter was flying directly towards the lens. The downside of flux core welding for sure. At first I thought those bright spots would just glare from the welding. Nope. They were the little tiny pieces of hot slag hitting and sticking directly to the lens. You can literally watch the image get worse as the work continues. More spots, more glare, and more distortion with every pass. By the time I realized what was happening, it was already too late. Brand new GoPro lens ruined. That one completely on me. That was one of my guys or my son, they would have definitely had it. So here's the lesson. If you're filming grinding or welding, back the camera up, shoot from an angle, use a protective filter or put a shield cover in front of it. The shot looked awesome, but it definitely isn't worth sacrificing. Camera disaster aside, the stair project came out great. The replacement concrete treads are installed one at a time, and the spacing and alignment are checked as we work our way up. Now the staircase looks cleaner, feels solid, and is ready to go back into service. So the HOA got a successful stair repair, got a very expensive reminder to protect my hair. Slow the heck down. Happy Friday. Have a good weekend, y'all.